Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel where we cover the news, facts, and sentiments about the crypto market. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, we had some whale dump on us with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has dropped below $10,000, so the market has moved with it and everything is down, but not significantly down. Right now, Bitcoin is at $9,600. I'm hoping it bounces off of that as a support level or at least $9,500, and this certainly looks like some manipulation. You know, in a young, unregulated market, you have your pros and cons. You have a lot of volatility and whale manipulation, but you also have the low prices and the opportunity to get in at low and make significant returns over time. So we are certainly in a bull market. We've been on the upper trend. Bitcoin bottomed in December 2018 in the 3,000s, and the halving is coming up in May. And historically, we've seen the prices increase over time at the halving point. So keep that in mind, even though we have these volatilities and manipulations, right? Once regulation comes, we're going to see less and less of this. So one thing you want to look at, though, is once again, we're early, and what is the big money doing? And they are doubling down on crypto. They are buying up crypto. They're investing in the hardware, software, services, and solutions around the crypto market. And this is what I like to share with you on the channel, the facts. Who's investing what are the governments doing? Because these are things you should be educated about as an investor. Peter Thiel, many of you know that name. This guy is no joke. His company that he backs, or Layer1, begins mining Bitcoin at its West Texas facility. So Texas seems to be becoming a Bitcoin mining haven. But real quick, just so for those of you who don't know, Peter Thiel is an American entrepreneur. He's the co-founder of PayPal. He was the first investor in Facebook. So this guy is super rich. He has a net worth of $2.2 billion, and he's a Bitcoin bull. He has talked about Bitcoin in the past, and he is certainly behind it. So a company he's backing here is doubling down on Bitcoin mining in the US. You guys may have seen my recent videos like here, this one, where I talked about the US is going to steal Bitcoin mining power away from China. And in that video, I talked about different companies and folks like Barry Silbert, who just talked about on his company's call that what's going to be the plan when the hash power comes away from China to the US, because mining farms are popping up around the US, guys. And the one I've been calling out is the one that's being built in Texas, Rockdale, Texas, called Whinstone, and SBI Holdings and GMO Internet is invested in it, and it's going to be the world's largest crypto Bitcoin mining farm. So look at what the big money's doing. Follow the money, guys, and big things are happening here. So let me give you the details. Bitcoin mining startup Layer1 has started mining in its West Texas site. The site expects to scale to 200 megawatts within a few months and aims to capture 30% of the total network hash rate by the end of 2021. I'm telling you, the US is going to capture it, guys. This is going to become a global political power, world economics battle here. And it's going to be very interesting. Layer1 raised $50 million from Peter Thiel, Shasta Ventures, and others in November. So follow the money here, guys. And this is why Bitcoin is a part of my portfolio. It is my number 2. My number 1 is XRP. And Bitcoin is number 2, Ethereum is number 3. So big things happening here. In another article covered by on this topic here from let's see, a Cointelegraph. It's interesting because the narrative that they put out here is U.S. Bitcoin miner aims to repatriate 30% of the hash rate, citing national security. So once again, I've been talking about it, guys, calling it, and now we're seeing more and more of it. U.S. is doubling down. The U.S. government is not stopping this. They have the green light, and we know crypto regulations are coming soon. And I showed you guys that Fidelity Digital Assets is hiring Bitcoin mining engineers across the U.S. Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin is going to be a big part of this crypto market. It's going to make a lot of money, guys. And they mentioned here in a quote, "From hardware to energy, we've redesigned Bitcoin mining from its principles to control every profit and cost lever across our technology stack. Far too many mining operations still work from a playbook stuck in 2017. The halving will be the death knell for many of them." This is interesting, and I said it in my video, guys. The big boys are getting into Bitcoin mining, and the small miners are going to get squeezed out. Big money is going into Bitcoin mining. Follow the money, guys. And this is really interesting to see, especially in the United States, when you see that Trump came out and tweeted Bitcoin is not real money and that type of thing. I don't care what they say. I watch what they do. And Mnuchin said regulations are coming. Big money is doubling down. I'm going to continue to accumulate Bitcoin in the dips, not financial or investment advice. My top 2, XRP and Bitcoin, I will continue to accumulate as long as the prices are low, guys. So I'm super excited for the future of Bitcoin. Now, Samsung, they're going to be releasing their Galaxy S20 phone models, smartphone models, and they will keep the cryptocurrency functionality. Of course they will, because they want to be ahead of the curve. They started doing this in the S10 models, if you guys remembered. So it's going to be still a part of it, the wallet and blockchain setup, guys. And this is exciting. I expect Apple to do something as well. You're going to see more and more companies and technology makers to do this. So add support for cryptocurrencies. Now, Coinbase becomes a direct Visa card issuer with a principal membership. This is important. You may wonder, well, why are you sharing this? Coinbase is a crypto exchange. The fact that they are becoming so big, that this market is becoming so relevant. You have credit card companies and different other companies that are merging, acquiring, partnering with crypto companies, guys. This is great. So Coinbase is now the principal member of Visa, according to a February 19th announcement. This will allow it to issue debit cards without relying on third parties. The membership is an evolution of Coinbase's current relationship with Visa, with a cryptocurrency exchange providing a Visa-based debit card called Coinbase Card. It allows customers residing in the European Union or the European Community to spend multiple cryptocurrencies. The reason probably why it's not in the US first is because no regulation. Hurry up, Trump. Hurry up, Mnuchin, right? I mean, we need the regulation here, guys. There's so many things being held up here. But anyway, I think, oh wait, I misspoke there, guys. I misspoke there. While the card itself can function globally, it cannot be ordered by people residing outside of the supported areas. Coinbase reports that the card is seeing the most usage in the United Kingdom. Oh wait, I thought it said the United States. My bad. I thought I misread that, but there you go. It confirms. Can't be used in the US right now. I think until we get the regulatory clarity. Finally, guys, I thought this was interesting news. Irish court seizes 56 million in Bitcoin from alleged drug dealer. So usually what we saw is that the US government recently was auctioning off like 40 million in Bitcoin. And as you can imagine, this will probably be auctioned off, and a lot of the big players are going to probably buy this up. So very, very interesting stuff happening here. We are so early. Like I said, guys, we have to deal with some high volatility and manipulation because we're so early, but regulations are coming and we have the opportunity to get in at the low prices. And I always tell you to zoom out on the charts and you'll see where we came from and where we're going, guys. We have seen price growth across the years. You got to go through the cycles. That's just how it is. And I'm excited for the future of this market. And I would love to hear what you guys think about, what's taking place here in the United States in the surge in Bitcoin mining. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys later.